Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tintin and I work in a cruise ship for more than 10 years. Through this channel, I try to share everything I've learned, especially for those who are still dreaming, planning, or just starting their journey as a seafarer or cruise ship crew. In today's video, I want to have an honest conversation with you about something that a lot of people ask me. What is really like to work on a cruise ship? Is it all just fun and travel? Or is there something more behind the photos, the uniforms, and the ports? So today, I'll share with you both the pros and the cons of working on board, based on my personal experience and what I observed from fellow crew members as well. I won't sugarcoat anything because I know many of you are investing your time, effort, and even your savings just to pursue this dream. And you deserve to know the reality, the good and the difficult sides of this life. Advantages of working on a cruise ship. Let's start with the good side because yes, there's a lot of amazing things about working on a cruise ship. And for many of us, this is a life-changing opportunity. First of all, the travel. This is probably the number one reason why people apply for cruise ship jobs. You get to visit different countries, experience different cultures, and collect unforgettable memories without spending money on a flight or hotels. Imagine waking up in Italy and the next day you're in Spain or Greece. That kind of lifestyle is something that everyone gets to experience. And for many of us coming from small towns or simple backgrounds, it's a dream come true. Second, free accommodation and meals. You don't have to pay for rent, water, electricity, or food. All of that is already provided on board. That means most of your salary can go directly to your savings or to support your family back home. If you're smart about your expenses, you can really save a lot. Third, you gain international experience. You get to work with crew members from different countries, speak English every day, and learn how to adapt to different personalities, working styles, and cultures. This kind of experience is something that future employees, both at sea and on land, really value. Fourth, you earn in foreign currency. Let's be real. This is one of the biggest motivation for many of us, whether it's US dollars, euros, or pounds. Cruise ship salaries are often more competitive than land-based jobs in our home countries. And when you convert that to pesos or your local currency, it's a big help to your family or your future plans. Fifth, the chance to grow. You can start from an entry-level position and work your way up. I've seen crew members who started as cleaners, dishwashers, or bar utility, and later become supervisors, officers, or even managers. Promotions are possible as long as you're hardworking, respectful, and professional. And lastly, the friendship. When you work on board, you build connection with people from all walks of life. You create friendship that feel like family because you go through some struggles, share the same stories, and support each other when you're far away from home. Disadvantages of working on a cruise ship. Now, let's talk about the realities that are not always shown on social media. First, the working hours. People sometimes think that cruise ship jobs are glamorous, but what they don't see is the back-breaking schedule. Most of the time, you'll be working 10 to 12 hours a day, 7 days a week, without a rest day for several months. It can be physically exhausting, especially during embarkation, port days, and formal events. Second, being away from home. Homesickness is real. You'll miss birthdays, holidays, anniversaries, and all the special moments with your loved ones. It takes a lot of emotional strength to be far from your family, especially when you're going through something hard and you cannot just go home. Third, limited privacy and personal space. You'll most likely share a cabin with someone, sometimes even more than one person. The room is small and storage is limited. There are days when you just want silence or time alone, but that's just hard to find when you leave and work in the same space. Fourth, strict rules. Life on board is very disciplined. There are rules for grooming, uniform, behavior, and even curfews in crew areas. You always have to present yourself professionally, even you're tired or not in the mood. One small mistake can lead to a warning, or worse, being sent home. Fifth, emotional and mental pressure. You have to deal with difficult guests, tight schedules, homesickness, lack of rest, all while keeping a smile on your face. It's not easy. That's why taking care of your mental health is very important when you're on board. And six, not all cruise lines are the same. Some companies treat their crew very well, others not so much. That's why it's important to do your research before signing a contract. Talk to your current or former crew members and try to understand what kind of work environment you're walking to. So is working on a cruise ship worth it? For me, yes, it was worth it. But only because I know what I was getting into. I didn't expect it to be easy. I prepared myself, accepted the sacrifices, and stayed focused on my goals. Cruise life is not for everyone. It takes hard work, discipline, patience, and a strong mindset. But if you're ready for the challenge, if you're willing to grow and learn, and if you're looking for something bigger than what you have now, then I promise you, the cruise ship can open so many doors for you. This job has changed my life. It helped me support my family, travel the world, and discover strength I didn't even know I had. So if you're dreaming about this, don't give up, but also don't rush it. Prepare well. Learn as much as you can. Talk to people. Watch videos like this. And most importantly, know why you're doing it. If your heart is in the right place, you will get there. Maybe not today, maybe not even next month, but your time will come. Thank you so much for staying with me in this video. I hope this helped you understand the reality of cruise ship work, both the good and the hard parts. If this video inspired or helped you in any way, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. It really means a lot to me. And if you have any question or you want me to cover another cruise ship topic, comment below. I read every message and I love to help you however I can. To all my fellow dreamers and seafarers out there, I see you, I believe in you. Keep going. Your ship is waiting.